title, Regent's Park, London's royal escape of beauty and calm. In the heart of bustling London lies a place that feels like another world. A tranquil paradise wrapped in greenery, history, and royal elegance. This is Regent's Park, one of London's 8 royal parks, and arguably one of the most beautiful urban sanctuaries in all of England. It's not just a park, it's a masterpiece of landscape design, a slice of royal heritage, and a timeless escape where nature, art, and architecture blend in perfect harmony. Regent's Park stretches across more than 400 acres in northwest London, offering a breathtaking mix of open lawns, manicured gardens, shimmering lakes, and tree-lined avenues that seem to whisper stories of the past. But to truly understand its magic, we have to go back in time, to an era of grand vision, royal ambition, and architectural genius. The story of Regent's Park begins in the early 19th century, during the reign of Prince Regent, who would later become King George IV. London was rapidly growing, and the prince wanted a new kind of park. Not just a public green space, but a royal playground, surrounded by elegant villas and avenues that reflected the sophistication of the era. He commissioned his favorite architect, John Nash, to bring this dream to life. Nash, known for his bold and graceful designs, took the prince's vision and turned it into one of the most ambitious urban projects of its time. By 1811, Nash had unveiled his grand plan, a circular park surrounded by villas and connected to central London through the magnificent Regent Street, which still stands today as one of the city's most iconic roads. The park would be adorned with ornamental gardens, lakes, and a grand terrace of neoclassical homes that would embody the elegance of the Georgian era. Regent's Park soon became a symbol of royal style and refined living. Though originally intended as a private space for the elite, ordinary Londoners to experience the same serenity